Tool checks. It's a blast from the past. You needed one of these if you were going to get any tools at the company you worked at. Back in the 30s, 1940s, 50s, 60s, if you didn't have a tool check, you couldn't get any tools. Most people didn't own all the machinist tools they needed. The company supplied them, but they give you tool checks. You went to the tool crib, give them a tool check, told them what you wanted, and they gave you the tool you needed. All you needed to do was give them one of these. Tool checks.